Closing the shoulder and first sleeve fit, the solid boucle. When the bodice has been fell stitched and closed, fold the lining back to the start of the quilt lines and pin to hold. From here, pin the shoulders from the right side so the seam allowance remains on the outside. When we pin the seam allowance on the right side, we remove potential bulk that could create an imbalance during fitting. We need to be as accurate as possible now before sewing and trimming. Truing the bodice. An issue I often see at this stage is a slope at the centre front panel. A boucle jacket won't always be completely horizontal at the centre front as it lacks significant integral structure, but it should hang perpendicular to the grain line. If a jacket is not properly adjusted at the shoulder line now, it will be pulled down by the weight of trim, pockets and buttons. To correct this, open up a small area of the shoulder from the princess seam to the neckline and pull incrementally into the seam allowance until the centre front hangs correctly. Once straight, remove the jacket, leaving the shoulder pins in place. Thread baste in a different colour along the pins to create your new sewing lines for the front of the bodice. If underlining or stay tape has not been used, you will need to reinforce the shoulder line now. As the weight of the entire jacket hangs from the shoulders, adding a strip of tape will strengthen the seam to stop stretching over time. This can be anything from fusible strips to cotton stay tape, but I recommend using organza selvage if it is available. Lightweight and stable, this is a great way to utilize any scraps. Simply baste the strip to the wrong side of the back shoulder piece, then permanently sew your shoulder seam closed using your quilting stitch length to incorporate the tape. First sleeve fit. With your shoulder now closed and your bodice fittings complete, pin back the silk lining in and around the sleeve and bodice areas, then turn your jacket right side out. Place either on a dress form or on you and pin your centre fronts closed. Run pins around your arm's eye in a rough line to where your sleeve will be placed, starting at your shoulder. Often, after a bodice has been fitted, your arm's eye will move slightly from your original line. Once marked, run a quick thread-based line along these pins in a different colour. Pin your sleeve to the arm's eye, tucking the sleeve seam allowance under to create a roll. If adjustments have been made, then the only match point is the shoulder seam. The side seam can't be matched as the undersleeve will sit somewhere in the middle of this area. Your sleeve seam will have a subtle curve that mimics how your arm rests at your side. And don't forget to check that the sleeve is on the correct side. The vent will face towards the back of the jacket. Work your way around the sleeve, pinning to gauge how well the two fit together after adjustments and closings. There is a small amount of ease built into the sleeve pattern, but if alterations have reduced this, it won't be an issue. A boucle has flexibility and stretches naturally. The three-piece sleeve is unique to the French jacket. The undersleeve is designed for shaping and comfort, curving beautifully to follow the natural line of your relaxed arm. If you need to reduce your sleeve after this fitting, the undersleeve is your main pattern piece for adjustment. It can be reduced down to a slither as long as the natural curve remains. Just take equal amounts following the edge. I've had students end up with no more than an inch or so in width, which is more than enough as long as the original grain line remains. As you can see with one of my jackets, the sleeve is designed to sit high in the underarm, allowing for greater rotation, movement, and fit. It can feel a little strange the first time you try it on, but this shape creates the beautiful silhouette we recognize and love. Slide the jacket on carefully. Does the sleeve feel comfortable? Is it twisting? Is it tight around the bicep or too loose? Does it feel low or high on your shoulder? The shoulder seam should sit at the top of your shoulder joint, not on the arm. It should be flattering and have shape. This is one of those crucial areas. If it feels off, the chances of you wearing the jacket are low, so spend the time now to make it fit well. When happy with the fit, pin the sleeve to the right side of the bodice, tucking the sleeve seam allowance under itself again. Next up, attaching the sleeve.